What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cari Beats, man, back with a POV. As y'all can see, a rainy POV at that, man. Y'all see the rain on the window, you know what I'm saying? I ain't did a rainy POV in a long time, obviously, because it ain't been raining. But we're finna get to it. Just got out of church, man. Happy Mother's Day. First off, you know what I'm saying? Even though I got mostly men that watch my YouTube channel, but happy Mother's Day, you know what I'm saying, to the mothers out there. Baby mamas, grandma, auntie, cousin, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Happy Mother's Day, you feel me? But, you know what I'm saying? We're finna get straight into it. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. But I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just finna drive in the rain. Probably give y'all boys I'll roll the back one down, crack them a little bit, just so y'all can hear the exhaust. But probably give y'all boys a few little pops, a few little pulls in the rain. I see we're in custom mode, you know what I'm saying, aka sport mode. Ooh. Man, but these restaurants full, boy. On Mother's Day, y'all ever notice on Mother's Day, everybody want to spend a whole lot of money, go out to eat to nice restaurants and just go crazy. Father's Day, we eating at the crib, hamburger, hot dog. Like, what's up with that? We eating hamburgers and hot dog on Father's Day. Mother's Day, we eating lamb chop. You know what I'm saying? Seafood. Now look at that. Everybody had to eat, cuz. But yeah, man, I appreciate y'all car crew too, man. Like all the new subscribers. Thank y'all, man. You feel me? If you watching right now, you just subscribed within the past month or so. I appreciate you, man, bro. Y'all boys been showing much love. You know what I'm saying? Never goes unappreciated. You know what I'm saying? So I know this video ain't not as entertaining as the other ones that been going crazy, but I hope that y'all I really hope that y'all boys just keep, you know what I'm saying, tapping in, man. Video gonna get better. I'm just staying consistent right now and recording with every opportunity I get. I love people reactions, bro, and I be driving with the tune on. Cause they be looking like, bro, what's going on, bro? I'm gonna give y'all one stick 'em. What y'all think? I think I should lunch it right here? A little dig lunch right here? In the rain? Think she gonna hook? We're gonna see. Okay. That mother hook ain't spin. We got one more. Damn. Sticker. They car so strong, man. I just wish my pops would be as loud as they used to be, cuz. Look at that nigga. Bro, folks be looking like, what is that? Folks be looking crazy. I'm just riding around. I got somewhere to go. But I'm just riding around burning gas, man. We're trying to make the trip longer for y'all boys, you know what I'm saying? Usually I start the video on the outside, but it's raining. And I already done got wet just to get in the car. You know what I'm saying? Got the true blues on, you know what I'm saying? For all my sneakerheads out there. Something slight, you know what I'm saying? With a shirt that matches the true blue with a design on the back, you know what I'm saying? Something slight. It must be hooking in the rain, bro, and traction on. Right? What the hell? Yeah, car crew, man. Y'all gotta comment down below, man, what videos y'all like to see, bro. I'm glad y'all tapping in, you feel me? But y'all boy gotta comment and help me out, help me get some ideas stirred up, you know what I'm saying? So I can get y'all boy this A1 content, you feel me? I know I ain't got no head cat or nothing, you know, it'd be different. I can come up with a lot of stuff just off of, with the wine alone. You know what I'm saying? But we're working with what we got, huh? One of the hardest scats in the state, huh? And it's simple, you feel me? But hard. Well, you know what I mean? I love them pops, though. Especially when they switch up. I love them pops that switch up. You know what I mean? Well, yeah, man. Honey baked ham, or got that. Honey baked ham, or got that. Shot it, cuz going crazy. I don't know what they just ate. They just ate they ate a whole pan full of cornbread. But yeah, man. It be different when it rain. It feel like it like when I be recording that, bro. It feel like I ain't did it in so long. I just did it. That make it crazy, don't it? Yeah, man, I got to comment down below. Man. Let me know what's up, what y'all want to see, bro. Whether there's other people, you know what I'm saying, comparison videos, you know what I'm saying, other cars, certain cars, you know what I'm saying, obviously cars worth seeing. I'm talking about Honda Civic or something like that. No disrespect, you know what I'm saying, for video purposes. You know what I'm saying? I got a Steve. Ah! Damn. Woo. That one must have been waiting to come out. Yeah, man, y'all boy, let me know what y'all boy, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, y'all boy, just let me know what y'all boy trying to see. I got some more stuff in the works. It's just, I'm recording it right now, rainy POV, you know, I'm just staying consistent, y'all boy. Y'all boy, just respect the grind, you feel me? Because gotta keep the video rolling, gotta keep, you know what I'm saying, at least posting something within a certain amount of days. You know what I'm saying? So I keep that momentum going. I appreciate y'all once again. You know what I'm saying, for the momentum y'all boy been giving me. Other videos still going up, bro. Let's try to get it to 25K. The video I did, 2 Scatpacks cutting up in traffic. The first one. I got part 2 out, you know what I'm saying, with the flame tune on for both of us. Me and my boy AJ, y'all boy go check that out, you know what I'm saying? Good video, good content, you know what I'm saying? Good content. Real good content, you feel me? I can't stand when folks just be in the way, bro. Like, dang, cuz, go. Like, you just be in the way for no reason. Just drive. That's all you gotta do is drive, bro. Just drive and get the heck out of the way. That's all I ask of you, ugly ass. Just get out of the way. Damn. Bro, what I say, it always niggas in trucks, bro. Y'all be, it's like the only time y'all want to drive fast is when it rains. Y'all niggas don't drive fast now other time. Niggas just only drive fast when it raining. Then it be dry as I don't know what outside. Niggas be driving like a granddad. that don't be crazy to me, man. Damn. Damn. Now that one was loud. That one was loud. I ain't gonna lie. I said they do what they want to. Bob bust a donut right here, right now. I love when they crackle down like that. I know that mother get to sounding good, you know. But look at that nigga tag. Nigga tag say on. That bitch say I heart J's. It ain't gonna say heart, but the peach in the middle. I ain't never seen no tag like that. My dumb ass, I said one JS. I don't know what that means, but more power to you, brother. But yeah, man. It's a quick little rainy POV drive, man. Just staying consistent, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully, y'all boy tap in with this one. Get this video to 100 likes. You feel me? At least get the video to 100 likes, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all boy do that for the kid, man. Or do it for your boy. Ain't no kid, but you know what I'm saying? Do it for your boy, man. But, yeah, that probably be a wrap, man. I'm gonna give y'all boy one last pull. Hold on. The rain kind of slowing. I gotta roll the window down a little bit more. Dang, hold on, what's a puddle right here? Give y'all boys a little pull, man. That car, speed up. I'm trying to. But yeah, I don't know. What's going on. I'm just talking. Man, bro, get out the way. Come. You. Alright. Light red. You just in the way. But yeah, man. I'ma holler at y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all boys. Man, hold on, let me pause, man. I can't even think right now. I can't even think right now, man. But, yeah, man, like I was saying, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all boy, you know what I'm saying, stay prayed up, stay blessed out here in these streets, man, you know what I'm saying? Y'all boys stay safe. You feel me? Again, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Y'all mothers or wives or girlfriend, baby mom, whatever you want to call it, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all boys, you feel me? Be safe, nigga. I'm trying to do too much at one time. And my mind going all over the place. But, again, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy, you know what I'm saying? And, yeah, man. Like I also said at the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.